Hey, how's it going today? And I'm just showing you how to add realism to your footage. So this is a total cheat, but this is some software, something I was playing around with. This is just a 3D image, a 3D object that was created in a 3D program, LightWave, and you could create it in any other 3D program. And I've just composited it into this video footage, and I think it looks pretty good. I could do some work on this shadow to make that better, but actually I think the object blends in pretty well. But anyway, the only thing is that for me to get do this kind of effect, the camera has to be still. I'm cheap and I don't have synthesize. So how could I make this scene look more realistic? How could I make it look better? Well, one thing you can do is simply add camera shake to it, because then it gives a sense. One way you can do it, there's a number of ways you can do it, but there's one plugin. I'm using Vegas Pro. There is one plugin that you can get for it, and it's called Vegasaur. I know it's a funny name. It sounds like dinosaur, but this is a very good plugin. It's very professionally done. It fits perfectly in the program, and it just adds a lot of functionality to Vegas Pro. And then when you come in, you get it. It comes in up here. If you just click here, there's all these different things that it does. It has, it's incredible. It's got a beat detector, voiceover, silence detector. It just automates a lot of things. One of the things that it has is this Jarrell's handheld camera, and if you click it, this comes up. What you can do is you can apply, I like these settings, but it has somewhat steady, small camcorder, more smooth, just a lot of range of different, lots of movement, but we'll just go with somewhat steady. It says you can apply to the track motion, which is fine, and you can also add it to a loop region. So I like doing loops, so I'll just add it here like that. And then all you have to do is simply go apply. Oh, one other thing you got to do is select the video. That's why this is such a great program. If you do something wrong, it'll let you know. And you go apply, and what it's done is it's added movement here. Now if we go back to get my screen back, I think I can just go back to view and go back to default layout. Okay, now if I hit play, oops, I gotta hit play. It's added camera shake, which gives it a nice sense of realism. So it's just something, I consider it like a poor man's motion tracking. So what I do is I shoot the shot still, and then I just go and add camera shake. So it's almost the same as if I'd had motion tracking. So I just think it's a nice way to cheat and give a sense of camera tracking without actually having done camera tracking. So anyway, that's all I had for today. I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.